Hello everyone, and welcome to our in-depth look at the impacts of digital technology on wider society for your GCSE Computer Science exam, understanding the ethical, legal, cultural, environmental, and privacy issues, along with key legislation and software licensing is crucial. This comprehensive video will break down these complex areas using real-world scenarios to show you exactly how to tackle those important 8-mark questions. Let's dive straight into 3 interconnected areas: ethical, legal, and privacy issues. Ethical issues explore what is morally right or wrong, fair or unfair, and who holds responsibility. Digital technology often creates new dilemmas. Case 1. Generative AI newsroom. AI agents can conduct online research, write initial drafts of news articles, and summarize press releases. This can increase newsroom productivity and reduce costs. However, it can also lead to job losses by replacing humans, require news workers to learn new skills, and introduce a digital divide for non-tech news workers. Case 2. AI content checking on video sharing platforms. AI checks for inappropriate content when users share videos. This helps to prevent copyright infringement and ensures extreme and violent videos are not posted. On the other hand, some users may feel their freedom of speech is diminished, and the AI may incorrectly block legitimate content. Case 3. Facial recognition in education. Facial recognition is used for attendance, security, and monitoring student emotions and engagement in the classroom. It helps to identify unauthorized individuals, enhancing campus safety, and automates attendance taking, saving valuable class time. The drawbacks are that students may feel it is an invasion of privacy, and the system could misinterpret student emotions and behavior. Case 4. Use of electric autonomous vehicles. Companies might limit the latest software updates to newer models to avoid compatibility issues and enhance safety for those models. This can make driving easier and safer for customers with the latest cars. However, this practice encourages more frequent car replacements, puts a financial burden on users, and potentially causes more e-waste. There are also privacy concerns about how the company stores and uses data about drivers' locations and behaviors. Legal issues involve specific laws governing digital technology. You need to know 3 key pieces of legislation. The Data Protection Act 2018. This act focuses on the responsible handling of personal data. It allows or prohibits actions related to how data is collected, stored, and used. It prohibits actions like storing customer data insecurely or selling a client's personal data without their permission. It requires facial recognition systems to follow DPA rules to ensure customers are informed and data is kept secure, or the company could be fined. The Computer Misuse Act 1990. This act targets criminal activities involving computers. It prohibits unauthorized access to computer material, such as a student guessing a classmate's password to access their files, as well as the unauthorized modification of data. It also prohibits making, supplying, or obtaining malware. The Copyright Designs and Patents Act 1988. This law protects intellectual property by prohibiting copying or distributing someone else's work without permission. Examples of prohibited actions include using a logo that has visual similarity to another's logo or making a copy of a hit song and sharing it with others. AI tools on social media platforms are now used to automatically check for plagiarism and copyright infringement. Closely linked to legal issues are privacy issues, which concern the right of individuals to control their personal information and activities. Case 1. Social networking AI monitoring posts. Users may feel like they are being watched all the time. The use of confidential data without a user's consent is a privacy issue. Terms and conditions may force users to sign away their rights to privacy. Case 2. Facial recognition in education. The misuse of recorded videos can be an invasion of privacy. The systematic tracking of students raises privacy concerns, and they may feel like they are being watched without their consent. Case 3. Students bringing their own devices to school. There is a concern about students' internet traffic being monitored at school, which is a debate between safeguarding versus privacy. A school might also wish to install software to monitor device usage, and students could use their devices to record other students and upload the content to the internet. Conclusion. In Part 2, we will cover cultural and environmental impacts as well as software licensing.